Good morning. So, yes. Oh, hi there. Yeah, I'm still here. Welcome to my very small kitchen. And I'm having breakfast. Yippee, right? Oh, don't get motion sick. Let's pull this thing back a little bit. I just wanted to get a good shot of what I'm having. So, for those of you who don't follow the channel, baking's not an issue for me. You know, I make bread routinely. And so what we're having today is a thin piece of bread with Parmesan, sage, and olive oil on it. And it's wonderful. Excuse me. So to make it, all you do is take my dough recipe, if you can even call it that, roll it out thin on a piece of parchment paper, and cover it with ideally fresh sage if you can get it, and a little bit of Parmesan, and sprinkle it with some olive oil. You might want to put that on a baking pan. That way you don't have olive oil all over your oven. And just bake that up for 350. Or at 350 for about half an hour. I use my little countertop convection oven. Works great. And it just make sure you get a good brown color on top. That's the important part. I use the convection setting. Let's see, what else? Oh, a little bit of this. That's just cherry tomatoes cooked in brown butter. It's left over from my disinterested dinner the other day. And just for fun, a little bit of store-bought prosciutto. So that's it. Serve that with, I don't know, some French press coffee. And love it. As a reminder, this is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. Like and share, of course. And that's it. So my other video is called Bread, and I make bread about once a week. You know, you throw it in the dough, you throw it in the covered container, mix it all up. Tomorrow morning, you got bread. So that's it. Thank you. Welcome to the apocalypse. Be sure to keep eating. And whatever you do, be careful of sheep mice.